Excursions time, bro. I'm in love with the cool. That shit a therapy. Do this. You got to do this one day, my friend. Oh, I thought I lost it. They asked me to drop the boat. Good morning, good morning, my people. My face looking crazy right now, but it's all love, man. You know what I'm saying? Been eating, drinking all day. I'm pretty sure right now I gained goddamn 20 pounds, but it's all good though. When we get back to the state, we're gonna get back to the gym type shit. But right now, it's excursions time, so you know what I'm saying? I'm getting picked up right now. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. Fun time it is. You already know. Let's go. Let's do it, man. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great. This morning, tonight, this evening, depend on the time that you're watching. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. Let's do it, man. Love. Oh shit.
Hablando también de la seguridad, tenemos una chica embarazada. Que lo sepa, ¿lo saben? Bien, pues me regalan 2 minutitos dominicanos y luego los llamo por nombre del hotel y número de cuarto. Gracias y bienvenido.
Excursions time, bro. Excursions time. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Okay, so that's my new friend. Yo, search. Oh no, I ain't calling you.
One is ready, one is ready. So we put in the salt 2 weeks and a half for driving. After, we bring over here for separate the coffee from the beans. We mash and mash and mash. After we roast it, and we grind it. And we make the ground coffee, okay? What about this one? We do the same process like the coffee. And after, we make the chocolate. This is the oregano, no?
I'm in love with the coconut.
Coconut oil, guys, coconut oil, Dominicans use for many things, for cooking, massage, salad, but it's good to make it taste like coconut oil. We do wash for toilet. And the last but not least, Mama Juana. Guys, Mama Juana is our typical drink. The same bottle you keep refilling for 10 years. When you finish, you know how to throw the bottle. Keep refilling.
Yeah, they just teaching us, you know, giving us some information about their culture. You know what I'm saying? So I'm Haitian. It's like the same thing, basically. Yeah. Alrighty.
Mama Juana coffee. Mama Juana.
I'm trying this.
Por coche coche cocobongo. One is aphrodisiac, you know? You drink with the cocoa and pass the night on all the night coach.
Oh, that's the Mama Juana.
You can take it.
Oh, that's the Mama. What is called? Mama Juana.
Is your first time here?
Why would they have that here? What's the purpose of that? That's a powerful right. That's crazy. Why would they have that here? Don't look at it. Yo, that's crazy, man. They got the whole dildo out here, man. It's crazy. Oh shit! Everybody's naked. Okay. Amigo. Hey, I need to, you know what I'm saying? Look, that shit fun as fuck. Oh my God, that's my second time doing this shit. Oh man, that shit fun. Okay, all right. Oh, we gotta take our bag.
That's what I was asking you.
Yeah, go ahead. Yup. Hey man, that shit a therapy. Man, shit a therapy for real, bro. Ain't gonna lie. Look out. That shit a therapy. Yup. Oh my God. Look at her foot. Oh my God. Look at her foot. I'm stupid, ain't it? Hey, my friend, you got to do this. You got to do this one day, my friend. It's a therapy, my friend. Oh my God. Look at her foot. I don't think they will. You think the Ultimate will? Okay. Oh, see. Yeah. Hey, ¿cómo? Uy, Nazi, ¿cómo te llamas? Sasa, Bell, right? ¿Cómo te llamas? Oh, ¿cómo te llamas?
Welcome, my Calvin, my bro. A real nice bro.
Oh, I thought I lost it. No. Natural. Okay, that's good.
So family, before you get wet, we're gonna do some comment. Antes de mojarnos familia, de mojarnos más de lo que estamos, vamos a hacer un comentario y luego vamos a, si desean ver la foto, pueden ver acá como el chico está acá, tiene todo su paquete de fotos. So family, teacher is ready to see some that guy over here. And also family, so the shower, but before you go to the family, and also we have to take the lunch. He's gonna bring it to the catamaran. When you are ready, he's gonna pick you here, he's gonna bring it to the catamaran and the food. So the lunch. Thank you for coming. Thank you for everything.
Right. Whole day. That's after the ride. God damn it. Oh yes. Y'all wanna see where I'm at right now? Hard Rock. Yep. Let's see. Hey, this way. That way. Okay, come on. Ooh, it's hot as hell, but it feels good though. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, this restaurant is nice. Ain't gonna lie, look at it. This shit nice. But we over here. Yep. That's beautiful. Look at it. Oh, I did the excursion. Oh, we have one more left. We gotta go to the boat. But right now, it's lunchtime. You know what I'm saying? Everybody comes here to get lunch. And after that, we're gonna head to the boat. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Yeah, man, my eyes red and everything. Shit, I still got sand on me. I still got this. Everybody's wet. Nobody changed their clothes. Everybody's fucking wet. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Let's do it. Let's go. I'm tired, I ain't gonna lie. But it feels good though. It's like when you doing everything, when you doing movements and shit, you know what I'm saying? Like you feel good, you know what I'm saying? That's all you wanna do. But once you stop, like it's time to go to sleep. That's basically how it is. That's basically like how everybody feels right now. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can really hear me, but yeah, that's what I had to say right now. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna go get some food. I'm still gonna keep y'all with me. I'm still gonna keep y'all with me. Ain't bad. I'm fucking this up. This soup is good. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna drink liquor. Yeah, good fuck. You can never see birds like that in the States. That's pretty fact. Oh man, they just brought me another round. They brought me another round. Everybody, god damn, that shit look good. You can tell I'm fucking this shit up. Look at my beard. I'm fucking this shit up. I'm fucking it up. Oh man, hold on, let's see. Oh man. Man, this good. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that sauce spot tastes like the Haitian sauce spot. Shit, some Haitian cooking that shit. That shit good. I'll clean my beard after. Fuck. road's kind of blocked right now in front of this hotel by the beach. We're going on the boat. So they want us to walk. I guess. I'm saying. I guess so. Lavado Beach. In Spanish, I guess you would say Lavado Playa. I guess it's a nice little area too. It's crazy. I'm not buying shit. I'm not buying shit else, bro. You wanna do? I'm gonna eat you. Come here. I'm gonna eat you. What kind We getting on the boat now. Hot as fuck. Everybody still have the same clothes on. I hate that. You know what I'm saying? I want to change my clothes. Hey, these people out here trying to kill me in DR, man. Try to get me to go in the water. Talking about, oh, I got you, I got you. Nah, fuck no. I'm not no goddamn shark. I'm not going in the goddamn motherfucking water. My yard. You heard me, yeah, you heard me, my yard. Me not going, me no go. Bumble clock, me no go. Goddamn. Shit. Got everybody in the water right now. It's only me on the motherfucking boat, just chilling. Nah, it's not only me. I think it's 4 of us. Yeah. Everybody going in. Fuck that. Everybody else going in. Fuck that. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I didn't come to DR to die. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it. Everybody going in. It's only these 2 people right here that's not going in. And I make it. I make a promise to myself. I'm gonna go learn how to swim. For real. I feel stupid right now, but shit. I ain't ready to go though. You know what I'm saying? I still got a couple of years of me. You know what I'm saying? Praise the Lord. They asked me to drop the boat today, so I'm gonna be dropping the boat going back. So I wanna pass this message to the world. Everybody's life is in danger right now because they asked me to drop the boat and I'm going to drive it. You get what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? Like every motherfucking life is in danger right now because of him. That's the seventh times I come to the motherfucking front desk about the key, man. That shit fucking pissed me off. We go to this person and talking about go to the last. We go to the last, talking about go to the middle. The fuck going on? Shit. Man, Ryu was up with some shit, bro. God damn it.